Hi, fourth grade. I think I'm on. I wanted to share with you today how to get onto your email, your Google email, and the Google Classroom. And I am sharing a screen right now, and I just typed in right up here. I said Gmail, and it brings you to your Google account. And it will have a sign in right here. So you will press a sign in. I'm just going to do C. Perry at sjsdavis.com. That's my son. And then I'll press enter and it will ask me for a password. And so then you'll put your password in. So you put in your Gmail account and your password. You guys are going to all be getting, or maybe you have them by the time you see this video, a little card that Mrs. Strutzel made for you with your Google account and your password and a few other important information that you need to get into some websites. So then after you put in your password and your account, it will take you to your inbox and it'll look like this. And so this will be your inbox. This is what I want you guys to check a couple times a day, maybe in the morning, maybe before the end of the school day. I am going to be corresponding with you guys through email a lot because like I've been telling you guys for fourth grade, it's personal responsibility. And I want you guys to email me if you have a question during the day, if you're confused, if you need some help. And I'll be checking my email lots and lots and lots of times a day. So please email me if you have a question or need help. And don't forget, you would click on compose over here in the corner, compose, and it says to, and you put in my email, sperry@sjsdavis.com, or you could also include Mrs. Hawkins, especially if it's on a Tuesday. That will be her day. You can put in T. Hawkins at SJS and maybe you need help with math. So you will put math maybe in the subject. And when you're emailing, you have to have proper email etiquette. Now you're not just texting someone. So you might say, Dear Mrs. Perry, with a comma, you're heading there. I would like some help with math. You can be a little bit more specific. I'm just trying to hurry and tell me exactly what it is that you're having trouble with. And then you will put thank you or sincerely or your student. I'll just put John. And then you will see the send button right down here and you'll press send. And then we will, I'll just send it. Mrs. Hawkins will be surprised when she gets that email from John. Anyway, that is how you send an email. And then when you receive an email, it'll be up here and it'll be highlighted or darkened so you know that you have a new message and you'll check it. And that's how we'll respond. If you open an email like this is an old email and you want to reply to me, if you want to reply to something, there's a little arrow right here and it says reply and you click that and then a box comes up down here and you reply. Dear Mrs. Perry, comma, and then you write your response. So that is how you write your emails and proper email etiquette is always expected. We don't email each other. The students are not supposed to email each other. Mrs. Strutzel receives all the emails every day that go through the whole St. James system. So she has to approve all of them. So she will know if you're sending emails, and these aren't for personal friendship emails. So I'm sorry to tell you. Maybe you can get your own personal email to email your friends, but this is just for school related emails. And then to get into the Google Classroom, you see this little 9 dot over here. For me, my face is there. Let me move it over. All right, there's 9 dots right here. Some people call it a waffle. You click on that, and that's where your other Google apps are. You guys might be sending me a doc. I did a tutorial on that. You might want to create a slideshow. There's lots of different things that you can do on here. But the Google Classroom is most important. You click on your Google Classroom. And then your Google Classroom will come up. And fourth grade, hello sunshine, you click on it. And here we are in Google Classroom. And your stream is what it always comes up to. And this is just a message that I might write to you about the week, or once in a while there'll be a message. But most important, you click on classwork here. And then this is all your classwork. Right now, I just have welcome, back to school information, tech support. These are all things that we're going to go through next week. So this is your Google Classroom. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you on this tutorial. I wanted to show you how to access your Gmail, and so you can email me anytime. In fact, after you see this video, maybe you should practice and send me a little email and just tell me hello. All right. Thank you, fourth grade.